Alright guys, short little demo on weird things that you need to know before using Skype on your bring your own device in combination with Citrix. Now what happens is this is my normal bring your own device laptop and this is my Citrix surround thing. Right, so what I've got over here is a Jabra speaker, and I'm just going to put it in here now. Click. Now this is your VDI, and it does not appear to be working because I just put it in and it's not there. It still says speakers, and for recording says normal microphone as default. Alright, now I'm going to plug it out again. I'm going to switch back to my local VDI, my local computer, my bring your own device, and then I'm going to do the same audio devices. I'm going to open that up just to show you, and now I'm going to plug this one in again. Let's see what happens. If I do that, it will pop up, and I've set it to default, which is a good idea for any new device that you add. Alright, so if I now go back to my VDI, I see it's there. Yes, I think it's this one. I'm not sure. Let's check if that's so the case. It says Citrix HDX audio default device, and that's the thing I'm currently using. All right. Then the other thing on your bring your own device you need to, before using Skype, is this. This is Skype. You have audio over there, tools, and options. And there you will see audio device. And there you now can use Jabra Speak 510, which is a device that just plugged in. And you can choose it, or choose custom device, and that will revert back to the audio that you're used to. In this case, my audio speaker being of my laptop and the microphone also being from my laptop. But then I just do this and then everything's okay. Alright, I can check call quality to check if everything works. I'll do that now.
To check your call quality, record a short message after the tone, then wait to hear how you sound.
Alright, I'm recording now this short message after the tone, and let's see how I sound.
Here's what I've heard.
Alright, I'm recording now this short message after the tone, and let's see how I sound.
If you like what
A bit shorter than I would have expected, but this is okay, of course.
check your
If you've done this, then everything's okay. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video with me. Now, stopping recording. Bye bye.